As you can see, I'm here in a place close to the river, somewhere in Galicia, Spain, on the Camino de Santiago, and I decided to go a bit little off the path and follow the river, and then arrived here in a moment in this amazing spot. And it's amazing to be here and to listen to the sound of the water, to listen to the song of the birds, to smell the trees, and to really arrive in this moment and to just be here. And for me that's the most beautiful thing, like being able to just be here and feel the calmness that is coming down. And in these moments it's not about the place that I will go after this or the place that I came from, but now just about this very moment. And I'm feeling also a lot of gratitude. Gratitude for the birds, for the water, for the trees, gratitude for nature, because these places are so beautiful and so important. And in some kind of way I cannot really describe in words what I'm feeling here, but because it's all about the experience that is going beyond the words. And this place, Inner Beauty, is doing a lot with me, and it makes me feel like really coming at ease. And so beautiful, and really feeling grateful for being able to be here and being able to organize travels on the Camino de Santiago and come to this kind of places and be in nature. Yeah, for me it's all about that. It's just amazing, like this kind of places are just for free. Sometimes it seems so normal, but in this spot there is so many wonderful things. Like all the times when I'm coming nature, I see the wonder beyond the things, and it's just beautiful, and it really makes me feel at home. I'm feeling very grateful that there are this kind of places in the world, and I really honored nature. I really feel a lot of gratitude for nature.